Hi guys, welcome to Niki the Art. Okay, I'll start by showing my colours. This one is Folk Art Colour Shift Dragon Flash. And I just put in a couple of blobs, 2 or 3 blobs of Reeves dark turquoise, mainly because I didn't have the full bottle left, so I didn't have enough. But it's giving me a nice colour. You see the shift in that, the gold. Now I'm not really a green person. That on its own doesn't really do a lot for me, but adding the turquoise into it, I like that. Now my paints are thin today. I've been inspired by Dwight and Sara Taylor, so I'm going to try one of their pearl pours. So just show you again, there's no trace, barely one. This one is Liquitex Basics Cerulean Blue Hue. I did put about 6 drops of a dark blue acrylic ink in. I don't know the actual colour, but just a dark blue, just to give it a little bit more depth. And I also put in a blob of Reeves Iridescent Medium to make it metallic. So beautiful blue, lovely bright blue. And my next one is Turquoise Light by Holcroft. Oh no, it's not, sorry, it's Aqua Green Light, sorry. I didn't put any iridescent medium in that, just left it as it is. And these are all mixed with Floetrol water and Liquitex Pouring Medium. I didn't measure, I did intend measuring, but I started doing it before I realised. Yeah, right. My base shade. I told you before that I use my sticks. When you put them away wet, don't do what I did and let them touch. I've got to try and prise those apart. Okay, I've got another one. Right, this is my base. As you can see that. This is very thin too. And this has got Floetrol, Liquitex Pouring Medium, water and GAC 800. GAC, GAC, however it's supposed to be said, 800 in it. But as you can see, absolutely no trace whatsoever. Okay, so I'll get myself ready. I'll put something down. This is all slipped to my cover off my Lazy Susan, and I'll be back in a minute to get messy.
you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up.
I think this may develop some more. I know Dwight from Dwight Myers from Dwight Pours often comes back, I think he said about an hour, so I'm a bit impatient, so I'm showing you this now. I like how that dragon flash, the colour shift, it's made the green cells in the blue. And you saw me do a couple of swipes, and that was with Acrylic Titanium White, just to break up that green a little bit. And I just did it there as well. Kind of think it looks a bit like seaweed. That's why I did that as well, those bits. But yeah, it's okay. It's quite pretty. Not sure whether I need to go a little bit thinner with my paints. I'll probably experiment again. I've got some quite nice ones. It's nice there where I swiped. I think maybe my white needs to be slightly thinner. I think my colours are okay. I think I'll make my white slightly thinner. I haven't got the same paint that Dwight uses, the Artist Loft. I used Mont Marte, which is a lot thicker, so it was hard for me to sort of work out the consistency. I like the shadow that the blue has formed over there. It's nice. But yeah, I'm not a green person, but I do think this blue and green looks nice together. As I say, I think it's very seaweedy. So yeah, oops, very blurred. Quite happy with that. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe. Bye.